thoughts pulling me off the track, but I learned how to breathe, how to let it go. Now I'm riding with the wind, letting spirit flow. Yeah, people try to break what I build inside, but I turn that pain into fire and light. Every scar is a story, every fall I rise. Now I see clearer through open skies.